Hello students, myself Rajiv Shukla, and I hope you all are fit and fine and you are taking care of your parents as well as of yourself. So today we will discuss about the first chapter of our geography, that is of the book Contemporary India and the World. So the first chapter is India, size and location. So it is very necessary to understand about the location as well as the geographical location of our nation, because moving further we will need this chapter and this concept to understand that why it is important, why the geographical location is so important for all other things like climate, like commerce, like weathers, like rainfall and all other things. So for moving further we have to understand. Let's go deeper inside. So we will understand the first topic of this chapter is the location, that what is the location of India. So just read this para. Lying entirely, that India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitude 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitude 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, what does it means? That okay, we have understand in class 6 or 7th that what are the latitude and longitude. Let's go deeper. Okay, so as we all know, that our earth, our globe is divided into several imaginary lines, so that we can get a better understanding of our globe and all other nations geographical location. So as we all know that this is our equator line, okay, and this is the 0 degree meridian line. So here is our nation India. So what it is saying that okay, so as we all know that from this line, wait a minute, okay, from this line, and this is the equator line. So this part of that globe, it is okay, this is north, okay, this is south, and this is east, and this is west. So India is completely lying in northeast side. Okay, so for the better understanding, let's go deeper. Okay, so let's understand this concept with the diagram. Okay, so if we draw a line, this is okay, if we draw the line, this is 0 degree, our 0 degree equator, and this is, if we are drawing that, this is 23 degree 23 and a half, this is Tropic of Cancer, and other line, it is 23 one and a half, this is Tropic of Capricorn, and this is Tropic of Cancer. So what is the geographical location of India? And we are drawing that one line, this is 0 degree meridian line. So India is completely lying this side. Okay, India is completely lying this side. So as we can see that the Tropic of Cancer line divides India in approx in two half parts. So India is completely lying in north and east side of the globe. Okay, so we can see easily that, and what is the, and as you can see that there are the numbers given over here are that these are the longitudes and these are the values of these longitudes. So India is completely lying in 8 degree 4 minutes north, 8 degree 4 minutes north from here, from okay, okay, so India is completely lying from this point to this point. So we are talking about the location, we are talking about the extension of India on the perspective of these latitude lines, latitude as well as longitudes. So what it is saying that that between what is the latitude, that is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minute north. So this is okay, this one is 8 degree, wait, this one is 8 degree 4 minutes north and this one is 37 degree 6 minutes north. So this is the extension of India. And on the other hand, if we are talking about the latitudes, so these are 68 degree 7 minutes east. Okay, so from where it is, from here to this side. Okay, so this one is 68 degree 7 minute east, as well as the second point is 97 degree 25 minute east. So it's all about India. So these are the coordinates of India. Okay, so let's go further. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north, divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. So as you know, okay, wait a minute. Okay, as you can see that the Tropic of Cancer line, this one, the Tropic of Cancer line divides India into approx 2 equal parts, and this as you can see here, this is that this one is Bay of Bengal and this one is Arabian Sea. Okay, so and this all is the coastline of India and this is the mainland of India. So I think you have understood all. So okay, so what is the size of the India on behalf of these extensions? So India is having the area of approx 3.28 million square kilometers. So from, as you can see, that this all area is approx 3 point, that is 3 point, sorry for that. Okay, so approx this is 3.28, that is million, is that is kilometer square. Okay, so what you have understand that India is having the vast land and vast area. Okay, so area of 3.28 million square kilometers, India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Okay, so in what is the percentage of India's mainland on the perspective of world's geography, on the perspective of world's and all other nations area? It is approx 2.4%. Okay, so on the next page, that land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers and the total length of the coastline of the mainland. So so what is it? That it states that India is having that land boundary of 15,200 kilometers. So and it is also including Andaman and Nicobar, and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 kilometers. So this is the land boundary of the India. And on the next part, that India is bounded by Yangfol mountains in the northwest. As you can see here, that India is bounded with these mountain ranges. As you all know that this is okay, so these are mountain ranges of Himalayas. So on the north as well as east. So northeast side of the India is covered by that new fold mountains. So this gives you an illustration that Himalaya is a new fold mountains, and on which side of India it is located? It is on the northeast side of the India. So okay, that latitude and longitude extent of mainland is about 30 degree. So what you get it from this point, that start from here, that 37 degree 6 minute to 8 degree 4 minute, and This one is 68 degree 7 minute and 97 degree 25 minutes. It is, if you are calculating, then it is approximately 30 degree, okay, from both side. So you can say that India is like a square from both the side, as well as the length as well as the breadth of the nation is approximately similar. So from the next para, that from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minute east, passing through the Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So what is it? Okay, so from this map you can easily see that from this point to this point, because it is approximately 30 degree extent. So for the solution of the time difference, because it is approximately 2 hours, it is approximately 2 hours difference in the time of Gujarat as well as of the time of Arunachal Pradesh. So for the convenience of ourselves, we have to we have to we have to calculate the time on a standard basis. So we have taken from the middle one, so we have taken this one. Okay, so we have taken that 82 degree, this one you can see here, 82 degree 30 minutes. This one is, okay, from where it is passing through, it is passing through that from Uttar Pradesh Mirzapur. And what is the number of that? It is from that longitude, these are 82 degree 30 minutes. Okay, so you have to understand this. Okay, from this perspective, as you can see that on the if you are comparing if you are comparing the area of India on the with the other nations, then India is on the 7th position. The first one is Russia, and second one is Canada, third one is USA, and then China, Brazil, Australia, and then India. So India is on 7th place. So on the next page, this is all. You have to understand this diagram carefully, so go through it. Okay, so on this page, we are seeing that India on the international highways of trade and commerce, because as we all know that with the help of globalization, on the perspective of globalization, we have to connect with all other nations of India, that all other nations of the world, for the purpose of commerce, for the purpose of buying and selling, import and export. So, and the sea provides the way, and the sea provides a very efficient and effective way to trade. So these all with the help of blue lines and the red lines, these are, so red line denotes the air routes, as well as blue dotted lines is denoting the airways, the seaways. With the help of those, we are connecting to the other part of the world. So as you can see that with this route, we are connecting with the other part of Europe as well as the African continent, and from this route we are connecting to the Australia as well as that Singapore, Malaysia, and all the other part of the southern countries. And with this route from the, and you can see easily that this is a Mumbai airport, sorry, Mumbai port. Mumbai, there are two things. As you can see that Mumbai is very, because Mumbai is called as the what it is called, that it is a capital, it is also the second capital of India, because it is a commerce capital of India. So we are connecting to all other part of world with the sea route as well as the air route also. And from this point, this is Kolkata, and the name of that port is Hooghly port. So we are connecting with the other part with the airlines as well as from the sea route also. Okay, so we are connecting to Thailand, Myanmar, and Bangkok. Then it is that is the capital of Thailand. So and here it is located the Andaman Nicobar, and these are the Lakshadweep islands. So go through this map also. This is China, and this is Afghanistan, Pakistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Iran, Oman, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, okay, Somalia. So you have to just get a better understanding about what are the neighboring countries and what are the location of those countries on the world map, so that you, if in the future, you can get a better understanding about all the geographical locations as well as the geopolitical study. So okay, that okay, so we have to understand that India's neighbors, that what other nations nearby India who are sharing, which are sharing their boundaries with India, that India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan. Okay, what I was telling about, that you have to understand that what are the neighboring countries of India, so that okay, so these are okay, from this diagram, from this that map, you can see that India is having Pakistan, Afghanistan, okay, so this is China, Nepal, Myanmar, okay, so Bhutan, Thailand, sorry, that Thailand is not connected to India, okay, so this one Myanmar, okay, and on the other hand, that is Sri Lanka. Okay, so these all are the nations which are sharing their boundaries with India. Okay, so okay, so with the help of this map, we can see that what are the international boundaries connecting to the other part of the world. So this is China, as you can see, Pakistan, Afghanistan. We are sharing we are sharing our boundary with their nations, and Bangladesh is also there, because Bangladesh is having the very long boundary sharing with India. And blue line is the line which shows us the sea or the coastline of the India. Okay, now the Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the narrow channel that of sea formed by Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Okay, so as you can see that this is the narrow channel of the water. It is called the Park Strait, okay, and the Gulf of Mannar. Okay, so you have to understand this. Okay, so the chapter is over, and I hope you get the better understanding about India's location as well as the geographical importance of the India, because India is having a good amount of coastline as well as the land contact or the international boundaries with the other nations. It gives a nation a very useful and a step ahead to the commerce and trade with the other nations. So I hope you will understand by seeing the atlas as well as the political map of the India and all the world. So try to get a better understanding about all the nations' location on your atlas. And so these are the exercises. These are the exercises you have to solve at your home and do it in your book also. Sorry, in your notebook also. So just try to do it with your own. Okay, so these are the questions you have to solve in your notebook. I hope you will get the answer by reading this chapter carefully. So just take care and do these kind of exercises and these MCQs as well in your notebook. See you in next video.